There is both a triple straight stitch and a triple zigzag on the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 2.0 sewing machine. So what's really nice is that this triple stitch is going to make it look like you've sewn it extra thick. It's going to be very strong, and it's going to look like you used a thicker thread. So what it's going to do is take 2 stitches forward and 1 stitch back. Now I'm sewing this first on a bias part of the fabric so you can really see what this is going to do, because it's also going to stretch. And I love this because, number one, it makes me look so professional when I use this. Plus, it has that added benefit of looking thicker than my regular thread. This is also fun if you use variegated thread, because you can just have some great embellishment looks. But the reason for sewing it on the diagonal is because when you stretch it, it doesn't break. So something like this being triply reinforced is really going to show off the stitching, plus make sure that your seams don't break. So if you think of a seat of pants where the crotch is actually curved and on the bias, this would be an excellent stitch to use. Now, so instead of me telling people to get top stitching thread and then needing a top stitch needle and then probably adjust your tension to get that to look right, why don't you just use a triple straight stitch? Now there's also a triple zigzag, and it's stitch number 8. So this one almost gives it, again, a decorative option. It does set up fairly wide, a 6mm width and a 4mm length, but you can adjust that. But this will almost give you kind of a fun, almost rickrack look. So if you're looking for some other stitches to really add some embellishment, remember, stitch out all those utility stitches that allow you to see how fun they're going to look, because sometimes they don't look so exciting on screen, but when you sew them out, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.